For centuries, we thought we had gravity all figured out. Turns out, one little planet changed everything. This is a cosmic detective story, and it's a mystery that took centuries to finally crack. So our story starts with a universe that seemed, perfect, as predictable as a clock. Isaac Newton, well, he stood on the shoulders of giants to build his revolutionary theory of gravity. Newton's big idea: gravity was a universal force that could act instantly across any distance. And for over 200 years, his math was spot on. The moon, comets, everything just worked. But then, around the mid-1800s, astronomers found a tiny crack in that perfect clockwork model. It was Mercury. Its orbit had this weird, unexplainable wobble that no one could figure out. I mean, the error was tiny, just a drift of 43 arcseconds every 100 years. But that tiny difference? It was big enough to break physics. Our whole understanding was wrong. Then, in 1915, along comes Albert Einstein with a totally mind-bending solution. He basically said, what if gravity isn't a force at all? What if it's the shape of space-time? Think of a bowling ball on a trampoline. That's kind of what the sun does to space-time. So planets aren't being pulled, they're just following the straightest possible path along those curves. And boom, this wild new theory perfectly explained Mercury's wobble. The mystery was finally solved. But general relativity also made other weird predictions, like bent starlight and ripples in space-time itself. And check this out. Over the next century, one by one, those wild predictions came true. First, an eclipse in 1919 proved starlight does bend. That was huge. Newton's theory was replaced. Fast forward to 2015. An observatory named LIGO actually detected an echo from a cosmic cataclysm. That signal? It was the sound of two black holes colliding over 1 billion years ago. Just incredible. Then in 2019, we actually did it. We saw the unseeable, a direct picture of a black hole. So what does this all mean? This quest has given us totally new ways to see the universe. We can literally hear black holes collide and see new elements being born in star mergers. Look, this isn't just theory anymore. It's a brand new era of actually observing the cosmos. So the cosmic detective story is definitely not over. The biggest discoveries might just be ahead.